Hey guys, Jules here. Today we're going to be installing our sprint booster into this 2019 Acura NSX. As always, we want to place the key fob 20 feet away from the vehicle for at least 10 minutes. This allows the vehicle's CAN bus system to reset. Installing the sprint booster into this car literally only takes 5 minutes. First, let's connect the selector switch into the unit before we install it into the vehicle. Now all we have to do is unplug the factory harness from the pedal assembly and insert the sprint booster in line. Plug in the unit to the harness until you hear a click, and then do the same thing for the pedal assembly. Next, route the controller anywhere that is easily accessible to change the settings, or even hide it, depending on your preference. And that is it. Time to enjoy your improved driving experience from the world's most compact and advanced throttle controller. Test out the different levels of adjustment to find out which level is best for you. That was the install of the sprint booster on this 2019 Acura NSX. Leave us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next.